Si Police Colonel Lito Patay nagmukhang kawawa ng gisahin sa kamera. Mahigit daw 100 ang napatay nung siya ay police station chief sa Payatas nang wala pang 1 taon. Galing daw siya sa Davao bago na-assign sa Payatas.
During the actual, Your Honor, bypass operation, we do not require the barangay official to be present. It's only on the tagging of evidence.
Of course, but what I'm saying is, nangyari. Diba? O may barangay official ba doon?
I cannot assure, Your Honor, during that time.
Okay, you better check because match check din yan. Tama yung sagot mo, pag hindi ka sigurado, huwag mo nang sagutin. Number 4, may media ba doon?
Yes, Your Honor. After the incident, Your Honor.
And who is the media present during the time?
I cannot remember.
Oh, you cannot remember again?
I remember.
Colonel.
Pero alam niya yung operation.
Anyway, Pinaya, please check na lang po. Then, Chairman, yung QCP.
Mukhang kawawa at mabait naman, pero grabe pala ang kanyang record. Kasali kaya yan sa warrant ng ICC?